20 invertebrate animals and their characteristics. Hello friends! I am Ella, and today I'm so excited to tell you about some amazing creatures called invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals that do not have backbones. Instead, they have soft bodies, shells, or hard outer coverings. Let's learn about 20 of them together. Butterfly, a colorful insect with wings that flutter gently. They drink nectar from flowers and change from caterpillars into butterflies. Ant, tiny but very strong. Ants live in groups called colonies and can carry things much heavier than their own bodies. Bee, a buzzing insect that makes honey and helps flowers grow by carrying pollen. Spider has 8 legs and spins silky webs to catch its food. Ladybug, a small red insect with black spots. They are friendly because they eat plant pests. Grasshopper jumps very high and makes chirping sounds by rubbing its legs together. Dragonfly flies fast with shiny wings and loves to stay near water. Snail moves very slowly and carries a hard shell on its back for protection. Slug, like a snail but without a shell. They are slimy and soft. Octopus, a sea animal with 8 arms and a very clever brain. It can change colors to hide. Squid, similar to an octopus but with long tentacles and a quick swimming style. Jellyfish, a soft, wobbly sea animal with stinging tentacles. They float in the ocean like balloons. Starfish, shaped like a star with 5 arms. It lives in the ocean and can grow back lost arms. Crab, a sea creature with a hard shell and 2 claws to grab food. Lobster, similar to crabs but with long bodies and big claws. Shrimp, small sea creatures that swim quickly and are very important in the ocean food chain. Coral, tiny sea animals that live together and build colorful coral reefs. Worm, soft-bodied creatures that live in the soil. They help plants grow by keeping the soil healthy. Clam lies in a shell under the sand in the sea. It can close its shell tightly. Squash bug, insect, a small insect that feeds on plants and hides under leaves. Wow! Invertebrates are so interesting. Even though they don't have backbones, they are very special and important to nature. From the tiniest ants to the amazing octopus, each one has its own unique way of living. Thank you for learning with me today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. I love learning, singing, and dancing with you.